good as I can't even lie to y'all. This good as
As y'all see, man, it's back. Birria El Gordo has finally brought their ramen burrito back. Okay, with the side taco. Okay, don't play with them. So check this out, man. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because it's cold outside. But man, this burrito ramen is top tier, man. Like, listen, I gotta get into it. You get the little corn in there, onion and cilantro. You gotta hit it with the lime. You know, you see the radishes. Like, I don't know what it is in the chicken, but then I had to put the ramen on the taco. Oh my God, my trainer gonna kill me. But that is delicious. Top tier, and I had to wash it down with a bev. Make sure you get the hibiscus tea. Top tier.